today, huh? We're making Easter cookies with bananas in them. It's rainy and windy outside, so I'm sure you can hear that. First thing you guys gotta do is preheat your oven to 325. You probably just heard mine beep. 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. 1 beaten egg. Now don't use all of this. Some of it we're going to use to brush on the cookies. So they say to use about half of this. 1.5 bananas, and we got to mash them. Two tablespoons of molasses. It's even got a bunny on it. Yum, 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 yum. Sticky. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 3 tablespoons of canola oil, and then 2 tablespoons of cold water. Good catch. Now mix it all together. And if your dough is sticky, just add a little bit more flour. You're supposed to use a well-greased cookie sheet. So we're just using Crisco. Flour your surface to roll out the dough so it doesn't stick to your table.
Want to try it? Oh, you want to try it? Hey!
Uncooked Easter cookies. She's like, I can't put my feet on the table.
Oh.
Are you gonna help make cookies? You wanna help? Here, you want the rolling pin? Here you go. There's a rolling pin. You can have flour on your feet now. Now we have to brush the tops of the cookies with eggs. After you brush the cookies with eggs, you stick them in the oven at 325 for 15 to 20 minutes until firm. Those look good, Shy. Now we get to decorate the cookies. We're going to use some of these white chips. They're not chocolate. They don't have any cocoa in them. If you have Paramount crystals, you should mix them in with the little white chips. It'll make it so they melt and come back together easier, dry, smoother. Take, turn the carrots slightly orange. Purple flour. And they're done. Yay! Now I just gotta let them sit there and let the icing dry. But they're done. But I got these two over here that I played with for Shiloh and Shelby to try today. They should be dry enough. Here's Shy. Ooh. And Shelby's under the table. Come here. Oh yes. Run away and eat the cookie! They always gotta run away and eat them. So there you go. If you guys make some for your dogs, you should do a video response of your dogs eating them or of you making them. or just leave us a comment and let us know if you made them for your dogs. Happy Easter! There's Sylvie! She took 3rd place, you guys! She won! Sylvie won 3rd place!